This is the unboxing of the SCX10 Deadbolt. Transmitter. This is my first trail / rock crawler. Tactic 3-channel TTX300. Bag full of parts. Different heads here. A couple other things. Looks like little hills to put your tires on. Little green pieces. And then always the rocket. SDs. Always rockets. Alright, so that's just the instructions. I'm assuming this is going to be zip ties. Not zip, yeah. Yep, they are. Now, this is definitely not the proper way to open this with scissors. I know that. Alright. That didn't work too well. Anyway, the tires are definitely soft. Very cool. Whoa, that's nice. Let's pull this body clips off here. Yeah, I wanted the bomber or the higher end Axials, but this one's cheap at $300 on Amazon, and the body looks sweet, like they were saying, the cross between the Ford and the Jeep. Looks very cool. Alright, so I know what's in the box here. It's not pretty here. But the suspension's soft. Now we can change obviously all the axle rates. I've already seen people move the battery to the front. Tactic servo. This is the sealed receiver case but it's obviously not waterproof. We'll still let some water in, so that will have to be ballooned, then marine grease, zip tied, marine grease around that, zip tied. Take this out, put it in water, run it through the old school break-in process. Take the gear cover off, oil that with the grease, marine grease, transmission gears with marine grease, plastic dip. I'm just going to plastic dip the servo. I'm just going to use the balloon and marine grease for that. If anybody knows, as far as this truck, they were saying that the gearing in the axles was made for 2.2s, which I would like to put on here, but in the comments, you guys let me know if 2.2s are safe to run on this truck as it is. Sure, this is, like I said, I'm new to this. This is my first brand new 4x4. I've only had the regular 110 scale stadium trucks, 4x4s, and the cheap Axial RCs, and RC10 T4. Not even, that's just running on the road though. Not even on the tracks or anything like that. So yeah, it should be an experience. I've been watching RC Sparks Studio, Aaron, DJ Medic, with all his crawlers and everything, and that's what made me get the trail / rock crawler. And this the SCX10 is so unbelievably upgradable. And this truck, just people have already ran it like stock as is, and they like it a lot. Obviously, there's no rear bumper. That's one of the complaints people keep having, is there's no rear bumper on this. I see there's bumpers all over online. People probably fabricate them. Let's just see, you take these two hex screws out here, and then you could probably mount whatever type of bumper you could find. The front bumper, it's plastic. See, there's a bunch of aluminum ones online, even steel ones. So that'll be something to upgrade. But I mean, like they said, all the reviews on this thing were just great. They're saying how much you could just beat these things up, and they couldn't believe that people were stripping out the breaking the servo or these plastic steering. I can't think what they're called. Steering links. So I do see there's aluminum upgrades from Racing. For obviously the links of the suspension in here, and obviously steering links. So yeah, obviously upgraded shocks. That's all in a process, obviously, because it's bought it was cheap, $300. That's still not cheap, but obviously got to get started somewhere. So hopefully see how this goes here. They have the 3-piece stronger drive shafts in these. I think that's really cool how the transmitter's 3-channel, so you can run something else if you want on it, which is really cool. Obviously, that would be very cool to run the either a winch or put just lights if you wanted to have it switch on and off. So yeah, it has the. All right, I did not know this. This is great. Last time I read the reviews, it said it had the Tamiya connectors. This has Deans. That's really good. That means I can just plug and play now. I don't need to worry about having the adapter for it, because I don't really want to cut off the wires here and then have to deal with, soldering. I'm not the best at soldering. I'm definitely amateur at that. So, but everything's new. I mean, as far as that, I've only just soldered batteries and things for the other trucks. I just bought a used Slash, and that I just bought the connector for the Deans to TRX Traxxas plug. So this should be very interesting. The wheels are very soft, so yeah, meant to let in seems like water if you're going in it, or just crawling in general. So this should be a fun truck, and make some more videos of the upgrades hopefully.